Today are we going to build a playland, and I put some lollies in it, and
I finished with the purple.
And I put in some eyes for the castle, and I put some castles in, and I added some like a Disneyland on the TV, aliens and witches, and I saw a girl flying down. And the square circle is the nose. Use the door to be a mouth. The patterns are the cheeks, and both pink but different types of ones. 2 circles are the eye. A lolly up top is the brain. A square-shaped nose is the nose. The lollies are plants in the room. The round circle like bumps on it is the cheeks. The door is the mouth, and the tongue is inside.